Hi, I'm Kayla, I go to St. Francis, and I chose to build the Omnivore robot. So this robot is controlled through an app I made, which just controls its speed and direction. Yeah, so it's a little demo. I don't know if you guys can see, there's like 5 buttons that controls like direction, and then like the 5th one just stops it. So if I press my forward button, hold on, I do have to connect to Bluetooth. Okay, my battery died actually. Okay. Yeah, it's dead. Is there like, I don't have an extra 9 volt. Oh, okay.
Wait, 9 volts or
9 volt.
Oh, what? You need a second one, Kayla?
Let me just test out this one. It's always the same. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's the battery. Okay, so let me put it in there because it's moving. We just take this down so it'll fly away. And alright. So again, I'm gonna press forward. Let me move it back a bit. So that was forward at full speed. I have a slider up top, and that slider basically controls how much power is going to go to like the motors. So if I like move this slider down a bit to the left, it's moving much slower. And then I also have Omni wheels, so that means my robot's not going to turn to the left or right, it's just going to shift. So when I press left, oh wait, it's my left, sorry. And then when I move to the right, it shifts to the right. And had a lot of challenges actually setting this. I had a lot of challenges with my Bluetooth. Couldn't get it to connect at first, and then when I did get it to connect, couldn't tell if my Arduino and my app were actually communicating with each other. So I had to set up this monitor, serial monitor on my computer so I could see if it was actually reading and going to do the command that I was entering in. So when I press forward, there's a number at the bottom, I mean at the top. I don't know if you guys probably can't see. I have 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it sends that number to my Arduino, which translates it to a function. Like when I press F, it says number 1. That tells my Arduino that it needs to move the robot forward. And when I finally saw that it was printing out go forward, I could tell that they're all connected. And then I also had an issue with my power, so you could see earlier. So even though it was printing out go forward, it wouldn't move forward, and I had to check like if everything was connected and the voltages, and I realized that my 2 motor drivers here, they didn't get enough power, and I had to add an extra 9 volt battery, so I have like 2 different batteries that are powering each motor driver. And next, I'm currently adding ultrasonic sensors. I want my robot to detect obstacles and kind of like an emergency stop when it detects it like from a certain distance. It's gonna know like, oh, I can't hit that, and then it will stop moving. And those are my modifications. So coming into Bluestamp, I didn't know like anything. I had no experience in engineering. I didn't know how to code, and I actually learned a lot of coding here. A lot of help from my instructors, and I kind of want to continue with that knowledge and do my own future projects, maybe. But thank you.